Are you looking for the best angle grinders? In this video we will look at some of the best angle grinders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Makita XAG04Z 4:1 1/2-inch cordless angle grinder. For a top-rated, intuitive angle grinder that will serve you well, no matter how you use it, one of your best options is the Makita XAG04Z cordless angle grinder. This mid-price tool is powered by an 18-volt battery, which is sold separately, so you won't be limited by a power cord, yet it still delivers big in terms of power and speed. It accepts 4.5-inch or 5-inch blades and attachments, and weighs just 5.6 pounds, so it won't tire you out, even on a lengthy work session. It has rubberized handles to help minimize vibration to your hands and wrists. This angle grinder makes quick work of grinding, cutting, and sanding various materials, such as concrete, tile, pipes, and more. It features automatic speed change technology, which adjusts the speed and torque during operation for optimized performance, no matter what you're working on. The tool's brushless motor is electronically controlled to prolong battery life, lasting up to 50% longer per charge. This high-quality tool is well-balanced and lightweight, yet it delivers impressive power that's perfect for tackling just about any job, like cutting curves in cement backer boards. At number 2. Metabo HPT G12SR 4M 4:1 1/2-inch angle grinder. You could easily spend a couple $100s on a high-end angle grinder and all of its attachments, but if you're just starting out with this tool, you may be better off with a budget option, such as the Metabo HPT, formerly Hitachi, G12SR 4M 6.2 amp 4:1 1/2-inch angle grinder. This grinder has a top no-load speed of 10,000 RPM but does not have variable speed control capabilities. This powerful angle grinder comes with 5 abrasive discs, as well as a storage case. The tool is compact and lightweight at just 4 pounds, which is great for control and versatility. Its unique side handle makes it comfortable for both right and left-hand users, and it delivers impressive overload durability, increasing its reliability and lifespan. You can use this angle grinder on various metals, such as steel, bronze, or aluminum, as well as on slate, brick, and more. It's especially handy for cutting and removing bricks. At number 3. DeWalt DCG 412B Cordless 4:1 1/2-inch angle grinder. Cordless angle grinders are often beneficial, as they're more portable and versatile, since you're not restricted by a power cord. For a high-end cordless angle grinder, you can't go wrong with the DeWalt DCG 412B, which can use either a 4.5-inch or a 5-inch grinding wheel. This is a lightweight, versatile, and powerful angle grinder that you can use for a variety of applications, such as sharpening other tools like an axe, chisel, or lawnmower. The downside of this product is that the batteries and chargers are sold separately, but you definitely won't be disappointed with the performance of this cordless tool. This grinder is perfect for a wide range of applications, including construction, maintenance, and even automotive work. It features a quick change wheel release that allows you to switch discs without any tools, and the 8,000 RPM motor provides all the power you need for cutting and grinding a variety of materials. The handle can be adjusted in 2 different positions to suit your needs best. At number 4. Bosch GWS 13-50 VS Variable Speed Angle Grinder. Most angle grinders operate at just one speed, but if you're looking for a more versatile tool, you may want a variable speed angle grinder such as this one from Bosch. The Bosch GWS 13-50 VS is an 13-amp corded angle grinder that comes with a 5-inch grinding wheel, but it can also use 4.5-inch wheels. This is a highly rated product that can operate between 2,800 and 11,500 RPM, making it suitable for a variety of applications, both professional or around-the-house tackling repairs or DIY projects. This tool also has a variety of other features that give it more power and more control than other options. For instance, it features a 2-position vibration control handle for your comfort, as well as directed airflow that blows dust away from vital components in order to extend the life of the tool. It also has up to 2 more amps of power than previous generations. At number 5. DeWalt DWE 402 4:1 1/2-inch angle grinder. With the right disc attachment, angle grinders are even powerful enough to cut through concrete. If you're looking for a tool to help you grind down or slice through this tough material, you may want to opt for the DeWalt DWE402, which has an 11-amp motor and a 4.5-inch grinding wheel. It's designed to be comfortable and easy to grip, even on long work sessions. This tool excels in terms of power-to-size ratio, delivering 11,000 RPM, yet only weighing around 6 pounds. It has a 2-position side handle for a comfortable grip, and its dust ejection system helps to ensure that particles do not enter the tool and compromise its lifespan. This is the grinder to choose if you want to make quick work of concrete surfaces, grind down floors, or deeply score sidewalks with ease. Use the grinder to level off an uneven garage floor or do similar tasks. Of course, you can also use it for other common angle grinder projects such as grinding, buffing, or cleaning wood and other materials.